On today's episode of Watch JR Go, we say goodbye to a lot of cars. Sail, sail, sail! What is going on, guys? I am Watch JR Go, and today I am here in the $3,500 Silverado, and we've done a lot of work to this truck. We've done a lot of work to an Audi. We've done a lot of work to some other cars in the day. Hopefully we're gonna say goodbye to many of them. So first things first, I'm the nicest seller ever, I guess. I actually put gas in this because the rule is now you never put gas in cars. All dealerships stopped and all people stopped, but I did it. I put gas in it, and now we're gonna fix the windshield. It's got a couple chips in it, and change the oil. What's up?
What's going on today?
Oh, you know, working on stuff.
All
right, thanks, Brock. We're running the whole O'Reilly Syntec oil change with the O'Reilly filter. All right, let's get this thing in the air, do an oil change, and fix the windshield. I'll at least knock out those two little spots. There's one here and one up there. I want to make sure it doesn't crack. It is original glass, obviously, and I try to hang on to that as long as I can. So, quick oil change, windshield repair, and this truck goes away, and the buyer for the Audi should be pulling up any second now to take the A6 home. If you guys want to see something really crazy today, the detail dudes are over here knocking it out. They have this SN95 Mustang that will blow your mind. Look at the teal on this Mustang. How many miles are on this again?
70,000.
70. The top's perfect, the paint's perfect. It's got brand new super cheap tires on it. This guy is just trying to sell it, but it was originally sold here in Winfield. V6 car, automatic, but what a time capsule. The spoiler must be an appearance package. It just looks super nice. Oh well, don't worry about it. Perfect interior. And they're over here polishing up one of my friend's Mercedes vans. Look at that's the 50/50. This is how it came in, how it's leaving. Look at my handprint. It looks good. They're giving this thing a full polish to get rid of all the oxidation. This is an after. They're getting ready to do the badge. That's a before. Crazy. Scott's using the sauce. That's solution finish, black restore. This actually, I've showed it before on the channel, but it dyes the plastic back to black, and it's incredible. This isn't like a temporary fix. It is a long-term fix. So
Should look real good with this.
yep. Oh man, what a difference. What a difference. Well, I guess I got what I deserved. I opened the drain plug on this thing right after I drove it over here, and a fountain of oil shot out of it, of course, and it hit the ribs on the transmission oil catching pan and bounced off the ribs and hit the tire, and we made a mess. So I've got a lot of cleaning to do, but hey, I got the oil drained. Time to clean up the plug, put it back in, and get the filter off. I'm not gonna be able to touch any of this, it's so hot, so guess we're using the filter wrench. Having pretty good luck getting every filter off with this thing. All right, I finished cleaning up my mess. Wasn't too bad there. Get the rest of the drips of oil off of here. And we got the new filter on. I cleaned the tire off so it doesn't sling everywhere. Let's get this thing down and fill it up with oil, and we're basically home free. The A6 is gone. We used the floor cleaner to clean up my oil mess, sprayed some degreaser down. Floor looks good again, truck's looking good. Time to get over here and fix the windshield. But first, I gotta run all the way back to my house, about an hour trip, round trip, to get the truck so we can load the Atom up tonight. Driving my Atom again. Oh yeah, we're flying today. Nothing like the old Ariel. As you can see, we're going 400 miles an hour. All right, we've got the trailer cleared off, the Atom loaded up. I think everything that could fall off. I think I've triple checked this thing to make sure we're not gonna lose a thing. It looks like all the bolts are tight enough. It looks like we've got it. The seat belts are buckled. Every nut should be maybe a little tighter than that. There's one that we would have lost. Good thing it's a lock nut. All right, that's better. I think she's good. All the bolts, all the other bolts, I've bagged them all up, put a box in the back with all the bags in it. Everything that could fly away went in the truck. a good load. Also guys, don't forget 7 p.m. Central Time today. It's the 13th. I'm jumping back on Discord stages, so we're gonna hang out for a bit and talk about cars again. So if you didn't jump in on the last one, make sure you get in on this one. It is today, 7 p.m. CST, or for me, 6 p.m. because I'm mountain time now. So come join in. I'll throw a link in the description below, and we don't really have a topic yet. Maybe we can get Brent from PFI Speed in there too. Be cool. Discord stages, hopefully with PFI Speed. Let's see. And I got tons of the boxes cleaned up out of here, a lot more cleaned up over here, and only one more pallet to make. And of course, Eric and I's pallets are all sorted by the 600,000 mile GMT 400 and the 67 Camaro. Looks pretty good. Those are ready to go up there for now. So, time to get out of here. It's like 6 p.m., 7 p.m., and obviously I gotta leave for Colorado at 3 in the morning. Oh yeah, the Silverado's gone. I don't know if I mentioned it. I just want to mention that's 2 cars down, and we'll get that cube knocked out shortly. I have all the parts to get that cube finished now. And the last update for the day, all of the 67 Camaro stuff, except for the old 327, is out of my garage, so there's tons of room in here. I might actually move some stuff around where we can put 2 cars in this garage, which would be mind-blowing. The Audi, still working on it. We probably ended up flashing it 10 times the other night, and Mirza is working on looking through all the logs and everything from the flashes, trying to figure out what's going on. Now we can flash it reliably. Johnny's charger did the trick, of course, but we haven't solved it yet. We just don't know yet. Not bad. Got a lot done today. Got a lot organized. Super happy with it. And I will see you guys tomorrow at PFI Speed. That is where we are headed at 3 in the morning. It's gonna be, well, it's already 9, so I gotta be right back up and drive the 8-9 hours or whatever it is. So let's get to it. Made it. I don't know how. 3:50 a.m. Truck's ready to go. I'm alive somehow. Let's get on the road. We're going to pick up Kyle, and in like, whatever, 8-9 hours, we'll be at PFI Speed. Hopefully you guys can see me. There is no light. And I think I'm pretty tired. All right, truck. You and I, don't let me down. Oh, that thing looks incredible. This lighting. I figured I'd use a street light to check the straps. Pretty solid. One more of those and we got that ain't going nowhere. Oh wow, that one's tight. That ain't going nowhere. I think we're good. Let's get on the road for real. Isn't it crazy being on a 6-lane highway without a single car on it? I see someone way up there on the side. Just cruising along, going to pick up the Kyle. Good morning with it.
How's it going, guys?
Oh, you know. Is this McDonald's by your house open?
Oh, dude, it better be.
That's what I'm thinking.
Like, Leah was up and I was like, bro, we gotta go get breakfast.
Absolutely. Did you already get breakfast?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Cool.
The kiddo woke up, so we were awake.
All right. Breakfast time for sure.
$1,500 Silverado project.
$1,500 Silverado? Because of 3 free waters?
Yes.
It's hard to see. It's very dark.
Oh, dude, for real.
Oh, man. That is
She's
hilarious. Rough. But still, what a wheel and tire setup. That was $1,500, yeah. Right?
Junkyard window.
Yep.
And then, you know, a detailer's just gotta see what they can do.
I love how it's fully hologrammed out.
Oh yeah, dude, nasty rotary.
Oh yeah, this is the end of our video.
Oh.
So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop, watchjargo.com, where you can get cool shirts just like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I will talk to you next time. 7 a.m. We're in Hayes. I think that's the halfway point. We're making pretty good time. Also, this is the most beautiful car of all time. I honestly don't think anything looks better. I've taken like 1,000 pictures of it today. It's now 9 a.m. We are 2 hours away from PFI Speed, and this is the end of the road for me. I'm gonna go to sleep for a bit. Everything seems like it's surviving, other than the fact that our strap got cut in half by the transmission. Happens. Transmissions are sharp. And everything else seems like it's going pretty well. How's the included refreshments?
Very good. Bugles and Bartle Ski.
That's it. That's the move.
That's the winning combo.
load this thing up with 2 bottles of Bartleski, make it extra fast.
Oh yeah, extra spicy.
Extra spicy.